All right, Summer, let's see it.
Open your eyes, Summer, and see what I have for you. And whose name is on it?
Summer.
Okay, let's put it on you.
Oh my gosh.
Today we're gonna make the dough for the cookies.
Cookie dance. Oh, cookie dance. Oh, cookie dance. Oh, what is this? Oh, what is she doing? Oh, what is this? Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Whoa, 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 whoa. Say hey.
Hey.
This is gonna be. First thing we have to do is cream the butter. We use a mixer for that, and it's make it there. Okay, now throw that in there. You can just dump it in all at once.
Dump it all in? Yeah.
Throw that in there.
That's a good angle.
Now this will look better with some sugar in it. You can always stop like this. All right. Here's our egg. Dump it in there for me. There, we did that one. The glass.
We bring my cup.
That's pretty close. But to make sure, take a few more drops. There, we'll put that in there.
When you're done, give it to
You
me.
hold that and I'll put this in and then you can dump it in. There, okay, you dump it all in. That way.
Almost, yeah.
Take 2 fingers, one big pinch and throw it in there. Try it again. If it's too much or you raise it too much. Now, dump all that in there. Beat the spoon off on that.
There you go, nice and flat.
Throw that in there now. Now we're going to do it different. Now we're going to use the spoon. See if you can stir with the spoon, okay?
Okay.
Okay, and we'll go up.
My
Scrape.
hands are all dusty.
We on the plate. Handle, we're going to put this here. Now, see if we get all that in there.
Done?
It's done for us to bring it out here.
Oh, it's nice and hard.
Yeah.
Look, snow.
Now, let's mix it in with mine. Okay. And you have to have some on your hand too, a little bit. All right, now, use your rolling pin and press. You go this way a little bit.
I want to do it.
And then, now wait a minute, let me pick it up. Then we have to turn it over. Now do it again, this way.
Good job.
Get it as flat as you can. The thickness we want. I think that's about right over here. So go over here now. From here over here.
Good job, Summer.
That's it. You're getting it right there in the middle. You gotta push that out.
Don't let her crush those fingers, Grandma.
Have a big one we want to use. Do we want to use a big shamrock? You like it?
Gosh.
Okay, put it down here now. Wait a minute. There. Now, mash him down.
Circle.
The circle. Put it right over
Daddy,
here.
I pay your beer right there.
Thank you.
You put it right over here. Right over here. In that little teeny spot.
Yeah, we're gonna need a couple of the gold coins too, because those ones are tiny.
Ooh.
That's the gold coin?
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's see. Will that one go there? Okay.
Put it.
Put that one there.
Do you have more of those?
Gold coins?
No.
I want to do the rainbow.
Rainbow. Okay. Well, let's see. Wait a minute.
I like the other rainbow.
This one?
Yeah.
Daddy likes that. That might be easier. Turn it this way.
That one's got the white clouds.
There.
I think that would be better
Okay.
to...
There. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it there? Okay. Now this one
Oh,
here.
that other one's not a rainbow, it's a horseshoe.
Put it in there.
Just upside down.
And what's this one?
Oh, that's a pot of gold.
Oh, the pot of gold. Okay, put pot of gold right in here. There.
What about the
Oh,
rainbow?
is that backwards?
I don't even know.
Yeah, that one is. So some of them have the sharp edge, some don't.
I'm leaving it up
Okay,
to her.
if
Must
it's
have been.
there.
Okay, Dad said we needed. Should have been done.
Yeah, no, we missed that part. Sorry.
That's all right. The ones that I've kind of raised up for you, okay?
Nice and gentle. Good job, babe.
I have to give him a loose. Let's see where you can put him. Okay.
Got all the dough all over your face.
This way. Okay, so that's I guess that's the right way. Now you can try another one there. Re-roll it over, did you? Got them in there real good. And you're gonna have to put one leprechaun. We don't work that, so we won't count him, okay? You got him all. Watch his legs. Don't want his legs breaking off.
Put them on the tray.
Then you put him in this spot.
Good job.
Now, move all the way around him. Now he's got to go right in here. Can you fit him in this little hole we saved for him? Okay.
Like you're the chef who cooks food, and we're both the chefs. 3 of us are the chefs.
That's right.
Let's decorate them.
These are my girly cookies.
Yes.
This is what I made, Daddy. I made these for everyone.
Wow.
I made.
So we're gonna bust them all out and start decorating.
This is a Valentine one. Ladybug one. I'm gonna just spread it with my finger.
There you go, so you don't put too much on.
The frosting went on the table. That's okay. It's a rainbow. They're called flowers.
It's actually a shamrock.
Flowers.
Shamrock.
Flowers.
Shamrock.
Flowers.
Flowers can look like that one.
Oh, yeah, it's gonna break her up.
That's how you fart. That's how you.
It's just this frosting.
Let me see, Summer. Make a funny face.
Sometimes you gotta hit it hard. Here, I'm gonna hold on to you. Watch out, Rosa.
Thank you for being with Summer's cookbook. Bye.
And then right now. See you next time.
I'll see you next time.
Aw. Bye.
Okay, now we're supposed to do a high five, okay?
Yeah.
So we did it.
I think the cookies are ready. We should try one of the cookies. I want to try. I'll try this one.
Okay.
This is my favorite one.
They're your cookies.
Mmm. It's so good. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.